Hello everyone, today we're going to be making smoked turkey necks. We're going to actually use 2.5 to 3 pounds of turkey necks. We're going to need 1/4 bell pepper red, 1/4 bell pepper green, 1/4 purple onion, 1/4 white onion. And for our flavors and seasonings, we're also going to use Worcestershire sauce, beefy onion Lipton soup, garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, and Tony Satcherin's seasoning. So what we're going to do, we're going to take the turkey necks. I've already washed them off. I'm going to combine all the ingredients into one pot, and I'm going to bring you right back. Okay, here's our turkey necks. So we end up using 4 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. We use one package here of the beef and onion soups, and the rest of the seasoning is always going to be seasoned to taste pretty much, like I said, how you like to eat it. And what we're going to do now, we're going to fill the pot up almost to, not all the way full, but at least to the top of the meat. Okay, what we're going to do now, I'm going to put this on the stove. I'm going to bring it to a boil, and we're going to let it, and I'm going to put it on maybe medium high. We're going to let it cook for 1 hour and 15 minutes. Once we get to that point, okay, you guys, we are finally done. They actually cooked 1 hour and a half, and what I did, I took 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. I took 1/4 teaspoon of the browning and seasoning mix, and I mixed it in a 1/2 cup of water, and I poured it over the turkey necks to make like a slurry or a gravy to go with them. And this is our finishing product. And this is the finishing product of the turkey necks. And they're good and tender. Just coming right out the bone. Ooh. Love the way they taste. But there you go, guys. Smoked turkey necks.